In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Signal app. So first of all, open the Signal application. You can see over here Signal application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you already have the Signal account and if you want to log into it, what you have to do is tap on this option, restore or transfer. After you do that, you'll be able to restore your account and transfer your account in this device. So what you can do is simply tap on any of these options. If you do not have your old phone, tap on this option. I don't have my old phone. After you do that, you'll be able to find two options over here, restore Signal backup, restore on device backup. You can simply tap on the option of your choice, or you can also skip the restore and tap on this option, skip restore. After you do that, tap on the option skip restore again. Now what you have to do is enter the phone number over here. Make sure to select the correct country code. After that, tap on the option next. Simply enter the verification code and you'll be logged into your account. Or you can also tap on this option, I have my old phone. If you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to scan this code with your old phone. Open the Signal app on your old device. Tap on the camera icon and scan this code with the camera. After that, you'll be logged into your account in this particular device. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you log in Signal app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.